NIBCO CPVC CTS fittings are used in hot and cold water distribution systems. This video demonstrates the solvent welding procedure for installing CPVC CTS fittings. Always follow manufacturer instructions and local plumbing codes. To solvent weld NIBCO CPVC CTS fittings, you will need a cutting tool, non-synthetic rags, a deburring tool, cement and primer applicators, purple primer, and orange CPVC CTS solvent cement. Before solvent welding, remove fittings and pipe from their cartons and allow them to sit at the same temperature for at least 1 hour. Cut the plastic pipe square using a wheel cutter or fine-toothed blade and a guide. Remove all burrs and debris from the inside and outside of the pipe. Bevel the pipe end to ease assembly and reduce the chance of wiping cement from the fitting. Check the dry fit. Insert pipe with light pressure. Pipe should go no further than 1/3 to 3/4 of the socket depth. Purple primer is required for CPVC pipe and fittings. Apply purple primer to the outside of the pipe, slightly beyond the depth of the fitting socket. Apply primer to the fitting socket surface. Use orange CPVC CTS solvent cement, approved for CTS size pipe and fittings. Apply a full, even coat of CPVC CTS solvent cement to the outside of the pipe. Apply a medium coat of cement to the fitting socket, avoiding puddling. Apply a second full coat of cement to the pipe outside diameter. Immediately insert the pipe fully into the fitting socket and rotate 1/4 turn to evenly distribute the cement. Hold the joint together for 10 to 15 seconds to prevent pushout. Wipe away excess cement from the outside of the fitting and pipe before the joint sets. Inspect the joint. A proper joint will show a continuous bead around the fitting. The CPVC CTS fitting is now properly installed. Do not take shortcuts. Always follow installation instructions completely.